of cheer dance doubles. I would like to ask from Germany, Morale and Golganer to come here. From Netherlands, Gadela and Tan. And from Slovenia, Janežič and Žan. On fourth place, Boškova and Moskova from Russia. On fifth, Fir and Vukalic from Slovenia. On sixth, Kolubko and Volovichenko from Ukraine. On seventh, Savo and Herdova from Czech Republic. On eighth, Bara and Patti from Italy. On ninth, Vichkova and Brechova from Czech Republic. And on 10th, Caruso and Reverberi from Italy. She's a fun like to the sun. I'm a fun like to the sun. She's a fun like to the fun. I'm a fun like to get lucky. We're a fun like to the sun. We're a fun like to get sun. We're a fun like to get fun. Okay, the team from Netherlands, you're here. Okay.